Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Dr. MOHD in front of you, going to explain the grammar section. Among the whole grammar sections, the first lesson is namely Al-Kalimatu wa Aqsamuha, as it is shown on the screen. Telangana Intermediate First Year Arabic 2022 Grammar Section, Word and its kinds. Al-Kalimatu wa Aqsamuha. So let's go to see the all grammar lessons. These are here. Al-Kalimatu wa Aqsamuha. Number 1, word and its kinds. Al-Mudhakkar wal-Muannath, masculine and feminine genders. Al-Mufradu wal-Muthanna wal-Jam'u, singular, dual and plural. Asma'ul Ishara, demonstrative pronouns. Al-Dhamir, pronoun. Adawatul Istifham, interrogatives. Weightage of the marks from grammar section. The all bit are mentioned here. Grammar section is going to begin from the bit number 12. Bit number 12 has two parts, A and B. So in A section, bit number 12, fill in the blanks will be asked from different lessons. Like one is from Al-Kalimatu wa Aqsamuha, another one from Asma'ul Ishara, from Al-Dhamir, from Adawatul Istifham. So all together, fill in the blanks will be 4. Among these 4 blanks, anyone will be asked in the final examinations for 4 marks. So today we will study the first one, which is under the Al-Kalimatu wa Aqsamuha. Then after bit number 12b, identifications, and under this you will be asked the masculine and feminine, identify male and female. So you must to know the indications of feminine genders. Without knowing the indications of feminine genders, you can't able to do this section, bit number 12b. Then bit number 13, definitions. So what are the definitions? You will be asked from Adawatul Istifham, Al-Dhamir, and Asma'ul Ishara. Asma'ul Ishara has divided into 2 parts, near indications and far indications. So among these 3 sections, you will be asked in the bit number 13 for 8 marks. Then after bit number 14, conversion. It is the section which will be asked from the al-kalimatu wa aqsamuha. Only whatever the words will be given, you have to remove the alif lam. If there is any word with alif lam, you have to remove that one. And if there is no alif lam, without alif lam is there any words, you have to prefix the alif lam. So in the bit number 14, you will get the 8 marks. Then after bit number 15, making sentences, some words will be given. You have to make the sentence by using those words. So for that, you will get 6 marks. Then after the last bit, the English sentences will be given. There will be no choice. 5 sentences will be given among all these grammar parts. So for that, you will get 5 marks. So altogether from the grammar section, you are going to get the 35 marks. So I think Adawatul Istifham, I have uploaded the video for Al-Zamir as well as Al-Muzakkar wal-Muannas. And today, inshallah, I will upload the first lesson, Al-Kalimatu wa Aqsamuha, word and its kinds. So let's go to study the first lesson of grammar part. Here, Al-Kalimatu wa Aqsamuha, word and its kinds. Al-Ismu, the noun. So, noun is divided into 2 parts, common noun and the proper noun. What is kalima? So, majmu'atul huruf tusamma kalima. Definitions will be given after. So, alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, till ya, these are called huruf, letters separately. Alif is 1 letter, ba is 1 letter, ta is 1 letter. But the group of letters are called kalima, this one, the word. And word is the 3 parts, al-ismu, the noun, al-fi'lu, the verb, al-harfu, the particle. So in the next pages, you will be taught about all kinds of the kalima words. Here al-ism, the noun, and here al-alam, proper noun. So all these are proper nouns. Alam means flag. By seeing the flags, you can identify, okay, this flag belongs to India, this flag belongs to Pakistan, this flag belongs to US, Australia, New Zealand. So as you identify the country by seeing the flags, likewise here, some particulars names are given here, which will be considered as a al-alam, proper noun. Although they don't have the alif lam in the beginning. Actually, if you see the alif lam in the beginning of the word, such a word will be considered as a proper noun. But here, there is no any alif lam. Still, all these particular names of particular persons will be considered as a proper noun without alif lam. Nabilun, name of a particular person. Sa'idun, Ubaidun, Mu'adun, Zahidun, Ammarun, Khadijatu, Tuba, Hamrau, Sumayyatu, Sakinatu, Khansau, Australia, Ifriqiya, Australia, Africa, Almania, Germany, America, Malaysia, Malaysia, Syria, Syria. So all these are the names of particular person or names of the particular countries, and such a particular names, they don't have the alif lam in the beginning of the word. Still they will be considered as a proper noun. Then an-nakiratu, indefinite noun. As I told you, if there is no alif lam in the beginning of the word, such a word will be considered as a an-nakiratu, indefinite noun, common noun. And all the time common noun will be having double pesh on the last letter. Qalamun, daftarun, waraqun, baytun, babun, miftahun, sukkarun, labanun, khubzun, rajulun, waladun, tiflun, talibun, mudarrisun, mudirun. All these words don't have the alif lam in the beginning, and on the last letter they are having the double pesh. So these double pesh is also indication of common noun. So always indefinite noun will be without alif lam, because alif lam is a definite article of Arabic language. Qalamun, a pen, it will be translated as a any or little. A pen. Daftarun, a notebook. Waraqun, a paper. Baytun, a house. Babun, a door. Miftahun, a key. Sukkarun, little sugar. Labanun, some milk. Khubzun, a bread. Rajulun, a man. Waladun, a boy. Tiflun, a child. Talibun, a student. Mudarrisun, a teacher. Mudirun, a principal. So these are the common noun. Then after al-ma'rifatu, definite noun. Just keep in your mind, if alif lam is there in the beginning of the word, that alif lam is an indication of proper noun, which is called in Arabic al-ma'rifatu. That means we are talking about something which are particular pen, particular notebook, particular paper, not a common paper, not a common notebook, not a common pen, but we are talking about the particular pen. So al-qalamu, the meaning will be changed. Al-qalamu, here qalamun, a pen, but if you say al-qalamu, the meaning will be changed, the pen, and after prefixing alif lam, there will be only single page on the last letter of the word. Al-qalamu, the pen. Ad-daftaru, the notebook. Al-waraku, the paper. Al-baytu, the house. Al-babu, the door. Al-miftahu, the key. As-sukkaru, the sugar. Al-labanu, the milk. Al-khubzu, the bread. Al-rajulu, the man. Al-waladu, the boy. Al-tiflu, the child. Al-talibu, the student. Al-mudarrisu, the teacher. Al-mudiru, the principal. So these are the particular things because there are alif lam in the beginning of the word. So such a word will be known as a al-ma'rifah, as a definite noun, because alif lam is a indication of proper noun in Arabic. Then al-fi'lu, ism has been completed. Then after al-fi'lu, as I told you, kalima, the word, has divided into three parts: noun, ism, and ism will be divided into two parts: an-nakiratu, al-ma'rifatu. Nakira common without alif lam, al-ma'rifa proper with alif lam. And the verb. So noun is the kalima, is the word, gives a full independent meaning in itself and is not linked to time, past, present, or future. And al-fi'l, which is here, al-fi'l, the verb, which shows the action, and they will be linked to a time also, like present, past, and future. So verb is the kalima that gives a full independent meaning in itself, and it is also linked to a time, like qara'a, he read, simple past, there is a time linked here. Kataba, he wrote, simple past. Alima, he knew. Fataha, he opened. Sami'a, he heard. Fahima, he understood. Yaqra'u, he is reading. Simple present or present continuous, you can say. Yaktubu, he is writing or he writes. Ya'lamu, he knows. Yaftahu, he opens. Yasma'u, he hears. Yafhamu, he is understanding. So all these 6 words are simple present or present continuous. So the time is linked here, present or present continuous. Then after iqra, this is the also verb imperative tense, order, command, request. Read, iqra. Uktub, write. Ifham, understand. So ism, fi'l, and the last one is al-harf, the particle. So kalima is divided into 3 parts. Al-ismu, the noun. Noun is divided into 2 parts: common noun and proper noun. Common noun without alif lam and proper noun with alif. Then after the fi'l, al-fi'lu, or you can say fi'l, the verb. And then after the third one is al-harfu, the particle. Al-ism gives the full independent meaning in itself, is not linked to a time. Al-fi'l gives the full independent meaning itself, and there will be time is linked. And al-harf, what is a harf? Particle is the kalima which has no independent meaning of itself, can only be understood after coupling either a noun or a verb, like fi, in, ala, on, ila, to, min, from, hatta, till, an, about, li, for, be, with, or by. So these are the harf. We cannot understand only by saying in, on, to, from, till, unless, until, it will be joined between the two nouns or between the nouns and verbs. So without coupling, we cannot understand the meanings of these harf particles. Some examples are given here. Fil baiti. So always remember, all these particles will come before the noun. They don't come before the verb. If you see any particle, then after noun will be there, because these are here always will be before the noun and will be giving the kasra, one zer, single zer on the last letter of the noun if the noun is proper. If the noun is common, then there will be kasratain, double zer on the last letter of the noun. So fil baiti, in the house. Sentence al waladu fil baiti, the boy is in the house. Alal maktabi, on the table. Al kitabu alal maktabi, the book is on the table. Ilal masjidi, to the mosque. Zahab al mudarrisu ilal masjidi, the teacher went to the mosque. Min al fasli, from the classroom. Kharaja talibu min al fasli, the student went out from the classroom. Anil ikhtibari, about the examinations. قال المحاضر عن الاختبار. قال, said. Al-muhadir, lecturer. The lecturer said an, about al-ikhtibar, examinations. So the lecturer said about the examinations. So these are the phrases, does not give the full sense. These are the sentences which are giving the full sense. Now here definitions are given for the kalima and the ism and the fi'l and al-harf, about which already you have been taught on the top pages. Have a look once here. Al-kalimatu wa aqsamuha, word and its kinds. Al-huruf, what are huruf? Letters. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, tusamma hurufan, are called letters. Al-kalimatu, what is kalima? What is word? The definition is majmu'atul hurufi tusamma kalimatan. Majmu'atul huruf, group of letters. These groups of letter, that means if you combine alif, ba, ta, or ta, sa, jim, like that, so it will be called majmu'atul huruf. So majmu'atul huruf, group of letters, tusamma, is called kalima, word. Walaha, and it has thalathatu aqsamin, three kinds. Al-ismu, the noun. Wal-fi'lu, and the verb. Wal-harfu, and the particle. Now aqsamul kalima. Kalima is divided into three parts. Number 1, al-ismu. Number 2, al-fi'lu. Number 3, al-harfu. What is ism? Definition is given here. Al-ismu, noun. Huwa ma dalla ala amalin ma'nan fi nafsihi walam yaqtarin bi zamanin. Nabilun, Khadijatu, Australia, Talibun, al-mudarrisu, al-hasubu, al-hisanu, hajarun. What is ism? What is noun? Huwa ma dalla ala amalin ma'nan fi nafsihi. Noun is a word which gives the full independent meaning in itself. And there will be no time linked. Walam yaqtarin bi zamanin. That means there will be no any present, past, and future. Like example are given: Nabilun, Khadijatu, Australia, Talibun. Then after Nabilun, Khadijatu, Australia, we are able to understand what is Nabil, what is Khadija, name of a person. There is no any tenses, no any time linked here, present, past, or future. Talibun, a student. Al-mudarrisu, the teacher. Al-hasubu, the computer. Al-hisanu, the horse. And hajarun, a stone. Then al-fi'lu, the verb. هو ما دل على معنى في نفسه مقترنا بأحد الأزمنة الثلاثة. What is verb? The verb is a word which gives the independent meaning itself, and there will be time linked among the three: present, past, or future. So three time linked will be there, whether it will be linked to a past or to a present or to a future. So time will be linked here. Like kataba, he wrote. What is the time linked here? Past. Yaktubu, he is writing. Present. Uktub, write. Imperative tense. La taktub, don't write. So these are the fail. There will be an action and there will be any tense among the three tenses like present, past, and future. So first one is over, second one is over, and third one, al-harf, the particle. What is particle? Huwa ma dalla ala ma'nan ma'a ghayrihi. Harf is a letter or group of a letter or kalima, word, does not give the meaning without others, without coupling to a noun or a verb, like fi, in, ala, on, ila, to, min, from. So does not give the independent meaning itself. So these three ism, fail and harf are explained here. Definitions with examples are given. Then after exercises, كون كلمات من الحروف الآتية means these jumble words and jumble letters are given. We have to join the letter and it will become a word. For example, ba ya taba, tabibun, a doctor. These are given for your better understanding. Lam waudal dash waladun, a boy. Ta mim ra alif, you can say matarun, an airport. Fa lam ta, you can say tiflun, a child. Ta kaf alif ba, it will become kitabun, a book. Ha fa ta, fataha, he opened, simple past. Ra hamza qaf, qara'a, he read, simple past. Then after some meanings also you have to memorize. Sukkarun, uktub al-mana, write the meanings. Sukkarun, little sugar. Labanun, little milk, some milk. Khubzun, a bread. Tiflun, a child. Al-waladu, the boy. Al-baytu, the house. Al-kitabu, the book. Al-maktabu, the table. Al-hasubu, the computer. Ja'a, he came. Al-waziru, the minister. Al-qalamu, the pen. Al-faslu, the classroom. Al-masjidu, the mosque. Al-kursiyu, the chair. Babun, a door. So you have to memorize the meaning of these words. Then after ayyin al-isma wal-fi'la wal-harfa, identify the noun and the verb and the particles. So here jumble words are given. We have to identify the noun, verb and particle. Abdun, al-ismu, al-ism, the noun. If you say abada, that means he prostrated, it become al-fi'lu. Al-muhandisu, the engineer. Alif lam is an indication of proper noun. So al-ism, the noun. Isma', hear or listen. Al-fi'lu, imperative tense, this one. Al-mal'abu, the playground. Al-ism means the noun. Raka'a, he bowed. Al-fi'lu, the verb. Al-jasru, the bridge. Al-ism, the noun. Sajada, he prostrated. Al-fi'lu, fi'l means verb. Qalamun, a pen. Al-ism means noun. Ya'lamu, he knows. Al-fi'lu, simple present. Ila, to, means al-harf, the particle. Yaktubu, he is writing. Al-fi'lu, the verb, simple present. Tiflun, a child. Al-ismu, the noun. Iftah, open. Al-fi'lu, the verb. Al-tabibu, the doctor. Al-ism, the noun. Al-maktabu, the table. Al-ism, the noun. So identify what is noun, what is verb, and which letter, which word is al-harf. Then after imla al-faragh. So keep in your mind only 3 things will be asked from this lesson in the final examinations. One is an-nakiratu wal ma'rifa, common noun and proper noun, in bit number 14 for 8 marks. Then this section, fill in the blanks by using prepositions. So prepositions are given under the blanks. You have to fill the correct prepositions by using the correct prepositions in these blanks. So there are almost 4 blanks altogether. Among 4, the first one is here in front of you. So have a look. Al-waladu dash al-bayt. So al-waladu fil bayti, fi, in. The boy is in the house. Al-waladu, the boy, fi, in, al-bayt, the house. The boy is in the house. Next one, zahaba, went out. Ahmadu, name of a person. Then dash al-masjid. So you say ila al-masjid. Zahaba Ahmadu ila al-masjidi. Ahmad went to the mosque. Al-hasubu means the computer. Al-mudir, the manager, the principal, the head of the department. Dash, it will li, for, belongs to. Al-hasubu lil mudiri, the computer is belongs to mudir. The computer is for the mudir, for the manager, for the principal. Ar-rajulu, the man, fi, in, then dash al-bayt, this one. Ar-rajulu fil bayti, the man is in the house. Then kharaja, also went out. At-talibu, the student, dash al-fasl, the classroom. So here should be min. Kharaja at-talibu min al-fasli, the student went out from the classroom. Al-kitabu dash al-maktab, the table. Al-kitab, the book, dash. Al-kitabu ala, ala al-maktabi, ala means on. The book is on the table. Al-kitabu ala al-maktabi, the book is on the table. So this is very, very most important blanks, this one. You have to practice again and again, because these blanks will be asked in the bit number 12A for 4 marks. Remember this one. Then after, this section also will be asked in the final examinations in the bit number 16, last bit. Not all these 5, maybe 1 or 2 from here and other 2, 3 from another lessons. So here these 5 are most important. You have to practice this one. And at last, I have translated in Arabic also. So in the written shape, you will see after this page, after few pages. So sentence will be given like this. The book is on the table. You have to make the Arabic of this sentence. The book, al-kitab, is on, ala, the book, the table, al-maktab. So al-kitabu ala al-maktab. The second one, the principal is in the office. Office, Al-Maktab, principal. Al-Mudir, the principal. Al-Mudiru fil maktabi. Third one, the bird is on the tree. Tree, shajarun, bird, at-tayru. The bird, at-tayru, ala shajari, ala on. The pen is in the pocket. Pocket, al-jayb, pen, pen. Al-qalamu fil jaybi, the pen is in the pocket. The flower, what is the meaning of flower? Az-zahru, tree, you know, and on, you know. The flower, az-zahru ala shajari, the flower is on the tree. So this is also very, very important for the final examinations. Then here, for more understanding, better understanding, separately I have given the common noun and proper noun, because this is the common noun and proper noun which will be given, which will be asked in the bit number 14 for 8 marks. So that is why I have given this one separately for better understanding. The common noun and the proper noun. An-nakiratu common noun, al-ma'rifatu proper noun. An-nakiratu ismun yadullu ala shakhsin aw shay'in aw makanin ghayr mu'ayyin. The common noun, an-nakiratu, is a noun which indicates only a person, thing or place. The common nouns examples. All these are the examples. You have to practice this one, you have to memorize this one, like qalamun, kitabun, maktabun, baytun, babun, masjidun, kursiyun, miftahun, mindilun, sukkarun, labanun, khubzun, rajulun, waladun, talibun, muhandisun, tabibun, fanniyun, harisun, khadimun, shurtiyun, masrafun, jawwalun, bawwabun. So meanings are also given. You can study later this one also for better understanding the nakira. Then after al-ma'rifa, the proper noun. Al-ma'rifatu ismun yadullu ala shakhsin aw shay'in aw makanin mu'ayyan. The proper noun, al-ma'rifatu, a noun which indicates a particular person, things or place. Al-qa'idatu, the rule. An-nakiratu takunu ma'rifatan idha dakhalat alayha al. Al, masalan, for example, qalamun, al-qalam. A common noun can be converted into a proper noun by prefixing al, alif lam, to its beginning. For example, qalamun, a pen, al-qalamu, the pen. So this al-qalamu, this is the example of al-ma'rifa. Qalamun, example of an-nakira. So some more examples are given for the proper noun. Amsilatul ma'rifati, the proper nouns examples. So everywhere you can see here with alif lam. All the words are with alif lam. And alif lam is a indication of proper noun. Definite article of Arabic is al, alif lam. Al-qalamu, the pen, al-kitabu, the book, al-maktabu, the table. The similar words are given on the top pages also. You can study from there and from here also. Then after al-alam. Al-alam, the marifa. Al-marifa, al-alam. Alam means flag. So already I explained this one on the top pages. Hamidun, Rashidun, Nabilun, Muazun, Ammarun, Yasir, Australia, Ifriqiya, Almania, America. These are words which don't have the alif lam in the beginning, but these are the particular name of a country or name of a person. That is why without alif lam is also will be considered as a proper noun. Then exercises, uktub al-ma'na, write the meanings. This section also has been taught earlier. Rajulun, waladun, mudarrisun, al-khubzu, al-sukkaru, al-kursiyu, al-rajulu, al-miftahu, al-waladu, al-talibu. The meanings are given here. Ayyin al-nakira wal-ma'rifa. This is also very important exercise. How you should convert the common into proper and proper into common. Convert the common noun into the proper noun. Harisun is a common. Al-harisu is a proper. Khadimun, al-khadimu. Shurtiyun, policeman. Servant, ash-shurtiyu. Masrafun, bank, al-masraf. Jawwalun, a mobile phone, al-jawwalu. Bawwabun, gate, al-bawwabu. Muhandisun, an engineer, al-muhandisu. Tabibun, a doctor, at-tabibu. Fanniyun, technician, al-fanniyu. Matarun, airport, al-mataru. Fundukun, hotel, al-fundaku. Jasrun, bridge, al-jasru. So everywhere without alif lam, without alif lam, without alif lam, without alif lam, or considered as a an-nakira. And those words with alif lam will be considered as a al-ma'rifah, proper noun. Then after the last bit in the final examinations, and that bit is translations. So translate the following sentences into Arabic. Question will be asked like that. 5 questions will be given among different lessons. There will be no choice. English sentences will be given. You have to translate into Arabic. Like here, the book is on the table. Al-kitabu ala tawilati. Tawila, table. The principal is in the office. Al-mudiru fil maktabi. Maktab, office. Al-mudir, principal. The bird is on the tree. At-tairu, the bird. Ala, on. Ash-shajar, the tree. At-tairu ala ash-shajari. The pen is in the pocket. Al-qalamu, the pen. Fi, in. Al-jayb, the pocket. Al-qalamu fil jaybi, the pen is in the pocket. The flower is on the tree. Flower az-zahru, tree ash-shajaru, on ala. So az-zahru ala ash-shajari, the flower is on the tree. So the first lesson of the grammar part, namely al-kalimatu wa aqsamuha, has been completed here. Inshallah, we'll see you in the next video by explaining the new lessons, inshallah. Till that time, goodbye, take care. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.